In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see volume in TradingView. If you're new to charting or just want a quick refresher, this will take only a moment and give you a clearer picture of market activity. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. At the top left of the screen, look for the Indicators button. It's labeled Indicators and is easy to spot near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click it to open the search window. This is where you can find anything from moving averages to momentum tools. But today we're focused on volume. In the search box, type volume. You'll see a few results, but the standard built-in indicator named volume is the one most traders use. Select the one you need, and TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. There's no extra configuration required for it to show up. It appears automatically in a panel below your price candles. Now, let me quickly explain what you're seeing. The volume indicator displays a row of vertical bars. Each bar corresponds to the same period as your chart candles. So on a daily chart, each bar represents 1 day's trading volume. On a 5-minute chart, it represents 5 minutes, and so on. The height of the bar shows how much was traded during that period. You'll also notice the bars are typically colored to match the candle direction. Green, when the price closed higher than it opened, and red, when it closed lower. That color isn't measuring buy versus sell orders directly. It's simply reflecting whether the price moved up or down during that interval. A quick tip for context: volume helps you gauge participation. When you see a large price move supported by higher than usual volume bars, it often indicates stronger conviction behind that move. Conversely, a big price swing on unusually low volume may suggest weaker interest. Also remember that volume is relative to your time frame, so what looks high on a 5-minute chart can look small compared to daily activity. And there you go. Once you click Indicators, search for volume, and select the one you need, it appears instantly on your chart, ready to use. That's all you need to start reading volume in TradingView. If you keep this simple workflow in mind, you'll be able to add volume to any chart in seconds, and immediately get a better sense of how actively a market is trading. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your charting.